Hi guys, in today's video we'll be learning the very basics of bullet journaling. So what is a bullet journal? Well, it's a journal that helps you keep track of your life and the events in it. All you'll need is a blank book and a pen. You remember that notebook you bought because it was pretty but never used it? It's time to use that one now. Apart from the basic supplies, you can use washi tapes, pattern paper, stickers, markers and highlighters, sticky notes and even photographs. Why use a bullet journal instead of your phone or laptop to keep track of things? For the same reason that you read hard copy books instead of PDFs, or take handwritten notes in class, or keep a diary. It depends on personal choice. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make a few bullet journal spreads. A key is basically a list of signs and symbols that you will be using throughout your journal, so feel free to customize it the way you want. The next spread that you want to make is the calendar or the year at a glance page. You can also make a monthly or weekly spread, depends on how much you're willing to commit to journaling. To add a little more decor to your journal, you can try something like this. You'll find tons of inspiration on Pinterest. Talking about lists, this is one that you totally need to have. Often people recommend all these movies and TV shows to me and I tend to forget, so this is a great way to remember. Apart from this, you can add bucket lists, wish lists, travel lists, packing lists and so many more. Now this one might particularly interest influencers out there. It'll help you keep track of all your ideas before you forget them. You can create a similar spread for YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook. Adding some positive or inspirational quotes to your journal can brighten up a dull day. So pick all your favorite quotes and add them in between sections. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do share and subscribe. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. The links are given down below.